Now, this year, my family decided that we would only do presents for the kids and that we wouldn't do big presents for the adults. So, what's a girl to do but shop for herself and go ahead and get, my own Christmas presents? It's not like I don't already gift myself goodies all throughout the year, but these are particularly special just because it is Christmas time. So let's go ahead and start with the first piece. Now, as you can see, I do have the Louis Vuitton Christmas packaging with the gold digitized print of Louis Vuitton. And this first piece that I'm going to open up is actually something that as soon as I saw it, I realized that I really wanted it. So I asked my SA to try to get a hold of it for me. It took a while, but it finally came in. So this is the scarf. Here is the info on it. It features Vivienne in different places all through Paris. And I think that it's just a gorgeous scarf. There is this large Vivienne, and I will try to insert a picture of this gorgeous scarf. What I think is really beautiful about this is she's got lots of different bags, and I think you might be able to see a key ball there. And then when you flip it over, the colors are just as gorgeous on the other side. I think the print that they did is just amazing. So you've got sort of the pinks and the reds on this side and more purples and blues on this side. Now, this bag has two things. The first piece is something that I haven't opened yet. It was gifted to me from my CA, Char, who is just the best CA anyone could ask for. I've really enjoyed working with her over the last several years, and she has managed to get me pieces that I really have been wanting. And actually, there's only one piece right now that is on my wish list, and hopefully we'll find out soon when it's available. Oh my gosh. Wow. How gorgeous is this? This is a little jewelry tray. Wow, this is amazing. Oh my goodness. And it's got the oh wow, I am just like so unbelievably thankful. This is so cute. How gorgeous. This has the vachetta on the outside, and then it has the canvas on the inside. Beautiful. Wow. This is an amazing gift. I can't wait to use this. I'm going to use it for jewelry at my bedside. This final piece was my big gift to myself. I went to go pick up some presents for my parents, and girl can't help it, has to find a gift for herself. So So as you can see, the Christmas ribbon this year, just the fabric with the gold Louis Vuitton. Okay, to reveal. You hear that? Any guesses? All right, so my brand new piece to my collection is the gorgeous favorite, the revamped favorite in the empreinte leather with the large LV. So this is like the giant LV monogram. And there's the back, there's the bottom, the side, D-ring, D-ring, and this is a magnetic lock. So it looks like the like a trunk lock or the lock with on the pochette Matisse, but that one has obviously is the S lock. This one is just a magnetic, and it's a pretty strong magnet, so that's pretty good. And this particular bag does have the shorter leather strap that is adjustable. You can just pull it and then it snaps. Whoops, let me see. So you can see it snaps. So then it makes it a longer shoulder strap. You really can't use it as a crossbody unless you have a very, very short torso. So this is actually going to be more of a shoulder length. And gorgeous detail here. It has the chunkier chain that you can also use. You can tuck that in and then use this bag as a clutch. You can tuck in the D-rings as well so you can't see it so much, and then the bag can be used as a clutch. But the downside is this chunky chain is not removable. So, you know, if you don't like a chunky chain, then you're kind of out of luck. But you can just kind of drape it down. You can tuck it in, but then it is going to make noise, and you're going to lose some space, obviously, with it. This bag has one slip pocket, and then otherwise is just a black hole. Here is the information and the QR code. And this piece is, you can tell, made in France. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like these kinds of unboxings and reviews of luxury items, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Please consider joining my YouTube family by hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications every time I post a new video. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday. Thanks for watching. See you soon and stay safe. Bye.